had really high blood pressure. I had blood pressure that was into the 160s, over 80s, and because of his acupuncture treatment and the herbs that I took that were prescribed by Jimmy, and I have now my blood pressure down into the 120s, indeed sometimes into the 1-teens, and I feel absolutely wonderful thanks to him. It helped me because the acupuncture had taken blood from other parts of my body while I was doing acupuncture and introduced and brought more blood into my heart. And he was able to, through that treatment and the herbs, get my blood pressure down. I believe that he saved my life. I believe that if I had continued on the path that I was, ignoring my high blood pressure, that I probably would have had a stroke or a heart attack or something even worse. And thanks to acupuncture, I no longer worry about that.